expect you to believe me, but baby, it's true. Nothing but you can make me feel alive. Set my heart on fire. Turn the silver sky into a California blue. Fireworks in July. Got nothing on your eyes, nothing on my mind.
Hey everyone, welcome to Cooking with Rye, and this is the Zing Zing Za episode.
That's a cool intro. I wasn't ready for that. Zing Zing Za.
Zing Zing Za, and Za is pizza.
Pizza.
Pizza on the
Everyone
grill.
likes the Za.
We got everything going. We got the grill going. What are you doing?
What's that green shit in there?
It's basil.
Oh! That's good.
Alright.
Okay.
So, stretching dough. We're going to have a little competition out there to have fun
Sounds
with the
good.
dough, see what we do, and then
I don't
we're
know
going
why you want to keep having things that I win at, but okay.
Alright, well, we'll see. We'll see.
We'll see.
We'll let our... Cheers.
You and your big fucking wine glass.
We got some mushrooms, got some onions.
We got 800 things. He's got peanuts. We're going to avoid this as much as
No,
possible.
we're gonna make a dessert pizza with chocolate on it and some peanuts.
Nothing but you. Nothing but you. Yeah, you.
Today is National.
Slap your ass day.
No, you got to slap your own ass.
That's not very fun.
Gracie! It's like when I bite it and I do that little bite that just, and it makes the skin go all red. You love it.
Okay, right. Why
Yes.
don't you start this on the barbecue?
Oh, this seems complicated.
I got that and
Why
that.
the veggies so early?
Just grill them up, then we can cut them up for the pizza.
This is reheat.
the chicken's done.
How am I going to put that on the barbecue?
You don't have to put it. I said this and this.
Oh,
That's
so
done.
Why don't we leave this here?
Because I need it outside.
Oh, you're fucking me
Put
up.
it all back on the plate like that.
Okay, so if you want to run a restaurant, Mr. Master Chef, it's sous chef. This on the table. This with a char. Cook these to my perfection and liking that you know I would like. And I'd be like, yes, chef! We're gonna put the links. Almost lost him.
Alone and turn the sound down so I don't hear nothing but you. Yeah, you.
Cooking with the Rick and Rye Show. R&R. Richard will like this.
Don't expect you to believe me, but baby, it's
And that's how it's done. Show over. Cut. It's a wrap. You're doing a bang up job there, Mr.
Yeah.
Ricardo.
on my mind, no, nothing but you.
Wait, let me see who my missed call is. Oh. It was from the ex-wife. I fucking knew it. Stupid.
Nothing but you, yeah, you. Baby, why don't we just find a little island, middle of the sea?
Nothing but you.
And margarita in your hand, hey, with a never-ending view.
Smell that, camperson. Just tiny little nugget buds. That's the stripper spit. Why you gotta get so close to my face? Smells good.
Blue fireworks in July. Got nothing on your eyes, nothing on my mind, no, nothing but you.
You are fucking noggin there.
I know, I got a hard head.
Bet you're thinking I'm crazy. I've been thinking.
This fucking cooking shit's getting in the way of me getting fucked up today.
Me, but baby, it's true, yeah. Nothing but you can make me.
What's up, man?
Nothing, I'm just seeing what you're doing, right? Just seeing what you're doing.
Smoking a little stripper spit.
Yeah.
You gonna partake in some strippers tonight?
Of course.
Yeah.
Try these. Tell me what you think of these. These are black jalapenos.
Tastes like jalapenos.
They're black. I don't know why.
They're weird. They don't have heat until you swallow them.
Try this. It's an olive.
Why are you feeding me?
Just try it. Are you looking after the barbecue or what?
Oh yeah, sausages are almost ready. Check those peppers.
Drinking in this crowded bar, just you and me alone, and turn the sound down so I don't hear nothing but you. Yeah, you. Bet you're thinking I'm crazy. I've been thinking that too. I don't expect you to believe me.
Little chocolate sauce. Try.
You know I don't like chocolate. See, I knew you fuck about. I knew you were gonna fuck about.
Right. Here's the dough.
Okay.
Here's your dough.
No,
Let's
I
pick it
want
up.
to pick it up so I get the flour on my hand. You're such a cocksucker, you know that? Okay.
Get your dough. Let's go. I'm already ahead.
Baby, why don't we just find a little island, middle of the sea? Sunshine, kind of freedom, bare feet in the sand, margarita in your hand.
Oh, I want to go.
What kind of fucking dough is this, man? I need a pin.
You need a pin.
Because it's not letting me do it the way I want to do it. It's sticky. Great dough, Richard.
No, it's not.
It's my dough.
I thought you said you worked for a pizza place.
Yeah, when I was 16. I have air bubbles in it. I don't know, it's fucking garbage. Why are we cooking it before? I don't like that. It cooks in like 3 seconds.
You have to start the. Okay. All right.
Hey, fuck them up now. Why are we cooking this? This dough does not have enough flour. It's so sticky.
Okay. Can I?
Set my heart on fire, turn the silver sky into a California blue. Fireworks in July, got nothing on your right.
Cheese. Chicken.
What the fuck's wrong with you, man?
Pork.
Pork.
Let's put some jalapenos on.
Some, okay.
Yeah, put a few jalapenos on there.
You know you threw my pizza in the tree, right?
I know. So now what we're gonna do is just gonna radiate the heat to the top. We don't need this cooked anymore. It's got a nice char on it.
Fantastic. Pizza Hut.
I guess I'm fucking doing the dough now.
No, I could do the dough. I could do the dough, but I need something to work on. I can't do it in the air.
Here.
No.
In the air.
No, because I have to roll it in a ball to get the air bubbles out. And then you gotta do a quick roll to get it out 2 times to make it like a cross. And then flippity, flippity, floppity, boom.
Okay. Okay, so we got a little bit of heat on the top. Cheese is all melted. We can take that off. And pizza number 1. Cut it here. Cut it in little fingers. You can make this a little thinner if you want, but it's got a nice char on it. Chicken's done.
Got nothing on your eyes, nothing on my mind, no, nothing but you. Nothing but you. Yeah, you. Nothing but
Right, you try the pizza?
Mm-hmm.
And?
Alright. Pretty good though.
don't we just find a little island, little love to see? Sunshine, kind of freedom, bare feet in the sand.
Spin that for you?
I saw the last one you did.
That's just your dough's fucked up. It's not made right.
My dough is not made right.
It's not made to the proper standards.
It's from an Italian bakery.
But it's not made right.
Okay, how would you like it made differently?
With love.
Oh, I'd love
Fuck you, don't you fucking dare. I'll fucking get that. I'll grab a fucking dough ball too. This fucking guy. Don't fuck around with the dough.
I've been thinking that too.
Not, he's making that one in.
I don't expect you to believe me, but baby,
Right, come and do a pizza dough.
Looks like you're making frittata
Frittata? Or focaccia?
bread. Frittata bread.
Focaccia bread.
You know this fucks up the no good, right?
Okay, put your toppings on it.
We'll make a good pizza.
Camera person loves barbecue sauce.
I don't like barbecue sauce though. You make that one barbecue sauce.
Alright, we'll do that.
You know, fuck you and this rope-a-dope bullshit.
Doing anything.
Come on, man, you got a loaded weapon. That's like holding your finger over the A-bomb. I don't trust you, man. Snowing. You know what? You fucking good.
it'd be cool if there was nobody else drinking in this crowded bar. Just you and me alone, and turn the sound down so I don't hear nothing but you. Yeah, you.
Alright, barbecue pizza cam person, what do you want on this maniacal mess? I think there's fucking shallots in my underwear.
Don't expect you to believe me, but baby, it's true. Nothing but you can make me feel alive. Set my heart on fire. Turn the silver sky into a California blue. Fireworks in July. Got nothing on your eyes, nothing on my mind, no, nothing but you.
Look, it's perfect. You got such a round head.
Why didn't you videotape that? Look, it's in the tree. Birds are gonna
close
love
up.
it.
Baby, why don't we just find a little island, little love to see? Sunshine, kind of freedom, bare feet in the sand. Margarita in your hand, hey, with a never-ending view. Nothing but
Okay, Brad, this is my special pizza.
It's special. Oh, yuck.
Oh, look at that. Fucker, look at that.
Oh, my glasses. You got flour on your mustache.
It's pizza day.
Okay, that actually kind of looks appetizing.
nothing but you. Yeah, you.
Good.
Pretty good.
I did good.
Oh,
Just think about all the pizzas you ate in mine.
look.
Yeah, but we didn't have a roller. We had a chopper.
That too. I don't expect you to believe me, but baby, it's true, yeah. Nothing but you can make me feel alive. Set my heart on fire. Turn the silver sky into a California blue. Fireworks in July. Got nothing on your eyes, nothing on my mind, no, nothing but you. Nothing.
Let's go.
Desserts, man. I'm not a dessert guy, but it's fun.
This is a pizza. Alright, that's fantastic. Barbecue pizza. That French fries.
Oh, it's pretty good.
Look at that.
I felt like that guy from Fat Albert. Who's felt, you know?
Thanks everybody for watching Cooking with Rick and Rye Zing Zing Za episode. We got some great pizza here, as you can see, dessert pizza, all grilled. Rye had to learn how to use pizza dough, but forgot. Good thing he worked for a pizza place.
I did.
Anyway, cheers, Rye. Thanks for watching. See you next week.
See ya.
Thinking that too. I don't expect you to believe me, but baby, it's true. Nothing but you can make me feel alive. Set my heart on fire. Turn the silver sky into a California blue.
Alright, we're going to get the canoe.
Good. Don't fuck around. I don't want to drink a hip on my eat. Turn it over so I can grab it in.
That's how you turn it over.
Why did you turn it sideways? Why do you not pick it up?
You just grab. No, grab your
Pick
side.
from
We'll go
this.
straight.
I want to carry it sideways.
There. Why do you gotta fuck around?
Steer it. Steer it. Pivot. Why would you feel like I'm steering it?
Okay.
Look at it.
Do it.
You